Hey there. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up your SendGrid authentication code with NameCheap. This ensures that your emails are verified, improving deliverability and helping you avoid the spam folder. First, log into your SendGrid account and navigate to Settings. Then click on Sender Authentication. Here, you'll need to verify your domain by adding DNS records to your NameCheap account. Start by selecting Domain Authentication and follow the prompts to generate the necessary DNS records. Now, log into your NameCheap dashboard and go to Domain List. Find the domain you're using with SendGrid and click Manage. Under Advanced DNS, add the records from SendGrid. These could include CNAME, text, and Amex records, depending on what SendGrid provides. Once the records are added, head back to SendGrid and click Verify. The process may take some time to propagate, so be patient. After verification, your domain will be authenticated and SendGrid will now be able to send emails on behalf of your domain, ensuring high deliverability. If you need any extra help, check out the links in the description. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.